How to draw using layers in Picsart. Want more control over your artwork? Here's how to draw using layers in Picsart. First, open a blank canvas or photo. Then tap layers to add a new one for each part of your drawing. Draw on separate layers for line art, colors, and shading to keep your work organized. You can hide, reorder, or adjust the opacity of each layer individually. This makes it easy to fix mistakes or change specific details without affecting the whole image. Once satisfied, merge layers or export your work with all layers intact. Do you prefer working with many layers or just a few? Let us know in the comments below. Name your layers clearly to stay organized as your drawing grows complex. And that's how you can draw using layers in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.